Hello, 5th grade. It's Mrs. Taranja with the Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 4, Lesson 13, The Reunion. Our objective for today is to identify and discuss the author's use of figurative language, and specifically the use of metaphors. Our key vocabulary for today are reunite, to come together again, bray, to make the harsh cry of a donkey, resolve is to clear up or deal with successfully, captivity, the state of being held as if a prisoner, delicacy, a delicious and rare food that is a special treat to eat, intone, to speak in a way that sounds like music or chanting, and confess is to admit something is true. We're going to go ahead and read the chapter for today. It's an independent read, so you are going to read it on your own. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read more carefully. Our word work for today is resolve. I settled disputes, I resolved doubts, that is, I did my job. Resolve means to clear up or deal with successfully, and it is a verb. So for your assessment for today, you're going to take all of those drafts that you've already written and put them together to make one final essay. So you should have one big essay with your introductory, your two body paragraphs, and your conclusion. When that is completed and put together, we want you to go through and read through and revise your essays and make a final draft. So make any spelling corrections, any grammar corrections, anything that you want to change to make it better. That's what we're going to want you to do, and then you're going to share your final draft with your teacher. Be sure when you do put your final essay together that you refer to this rubric. This will help you to figure out exactly what you need to do for your essay. This is what it should look like. And that is the end of our lesson for today. We will see everyone in our next lesson.